Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can drive a boat in the Blox Fruits game of Roblox. Okay, first of all guys, you need to go to this area and then you can talk to the boat dealer. You can interact with the boat dealer and then you can choose the boat that you want to use. I'm choosing the free boat and then I'm going to go to the boat. Okay, the boat already spawned here and then I'm going to drive the boat. Oops, oh my god, I'm trapped. Wait guys. Okay, I've already on the boat and then you can move to this area guys to drive the boat, and then you can move like this with the analog or the controller. Okay, and I'm driving the boat and you can go anywhere that you want. Okay guys, and that's how we can drive a boat in Blox Fruits game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and bye.